All right. Hello, guys. Welcome to 3 Minute Design. Actually, this is the second time I'm recording this. For some reason, the audio didn't record. So, yeah, let's go. Today, I want to talk about meetings. You know, we all love meetings. And I remember there was a girl at my company. She even had this MacBook cover that said, "Yeah, we all love meetings," right? So I can relate. And I gotta admit, I did something bad. And what I mean by this is I scheduled a meeting that easily could be a mail. Let me elaborate on this one. We had a workshop with Coca-Cola. We're creating an app for them. So overall, team is great. The engagement is great. We're doing an app. It works out good. But after we did wireframes, after the design sprint, we had the wireframes. And on these wireframes, I told them like, hey guys, just drop your pins on Figma. I will check them later. So like in 2 weeks, let's schedule a call and talk them through if you have any questions, if you need to understand something more deeply. And after this call, we'll proceed to the design. And yeah, of course, we scheduled this call. I was checking the pins before we had it, like constantly to see what they're up to. And although they dropped a lot of pins, none of them were like game changers or flow changes. They were very small things that not even all of them had to be accounted for. Some were just questions. So when we had this call, this Monday actually, when we had this call, we spent like 15 minutes just trying to connect because, you know, reasons. It's not a call if you don't have technical issues. So there were 20 people. We were waiting for everyone. It was like 15-20 minutes till everybody connected. And when they did, when we were all already aboard, the whole call lasted for like 5-10 minutes. And we just said like, yeah, we're going in a good direction. That's it. Thank you. And let's proceed to design. And although, you know, on a call, it was like smoothly because I said like, yeah, that's cool. And yeah, that's cool. I'm glad that everything's going smoothly, and we disconnected. The thing is that call was unnecessary. I could easily do a mail in which we would just say like, hey, I see that you don't have any major changes that you want to make. So, okay, so let's just keep it. And they would say like, fine. And then we could have a call when the designs are ready, and it would be very uplifting call, you could say, right? So I learned the hard way, I could say. I mean, it doesn't ruin the relationship or anything like that, but just for myself, I know that it was unnecessary. And I hope you don't schedule a call like this. So my tip for you, before you add something to calendar, think twice if it's actually necessary, or can it be a mail? Thank you guys. See you around.